Here I've got Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and let me show you how to use screen recorder on the following device. So at first, let's open it. You have to slide down the upper bar, locate the icon of screen recorder, click on it, and within 3 seconds you will be recording your screen. Here it is, so let me open some display, maybe the calendar. Now if you will tap on the pen icon, you can draw something. You can change the color obviously, so it's all up to you. You can also add your profile picture, so if you would like to have your face displayed here, just tap on the person icon here. And then if you would like to stop the video, tap on stop, and as you can see the recording have been saved, and now it is to be found in the gallery. So let me open it, and here it is, but let's open the gallery. Then you have to go to screen recordings, and here is ours. So as you can see here it is. Within a second you will see all the beautiful paintings, and now you can share it with your friends. You can obviously delete or edit this video, click on edit to do whatever you want to with it. And then if you would like to personalize the settings of your screen recorder, simply open list of all applications, pick the settings, go to the advanced features and select screenshots and screen recorder. And now obviously select screen recorder settings, where you can change the sound, so you can pick no sound, media sound, or media sounds and mix, and I will pick just media sounds. And also you can update the video quality, so you can pick the highest or some other if you do not want to have it so big, but I will leave the highest one. And finally you can change the size of your selfie video, so the one profile picture that you would able to add to your screen recorder, and that basically all. So this is how you can record the screen, how you can personalize it. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.